Good morning, Year 7. I hope you are well, and welcome to week 5 of Learning from Home. So I thought I'd make you another video just to show you exactly what you need to be doing this week. So it's kind of the same format as the previous weeks, and I'll start by showing you your 20 questions for the week. So on the screen, here, you can see your 20 questions, and again they're the same types of questions, okay? So you've got your adding and subtracting fractions to start with, dividing by like tens and hundreds, changing millimeters and centimeters. So they're all the same types of questions, they're just really kind of making sure you know exactly how to do those, okay? So that's your first thing to do, and as I said, perfectly fine if you want to email them to me, if that's what you can do. I'd rather you submit them to show my homework, but I know some people are having problems with that, so do not worry, okay? So you can just write them on a piece of paper, or you can print them off and do those yourselves. I'll try and release the video, so you always get a solutions video that I put on Show My Homework with a link to YouTube. I'll release that on Thursday this week, okay, so that you can mark your answers yourselves, because obviously it's bank holiday on Friday, okay? So I'll make sure that you've got your solutions video on Thursday, and therefore you can mark all of your answers. Now the second thing is your Maths Watch assignment, which I'll bring up now. So your Maths Watch assignment this week is called Real Life Maths, okay? So maths in the real world, where would we actually use our maths? So this is a mixture of things from distance tables, which is basically just like, how far is one place from another? So how far is it from, Wokingham to Reading or whatever. So that's your first one. And again, if you're struggling, make sure you watch the video, okay? So there's a video for all of them, and they're all quite short this time, okay? So just click on overview up here, okay? Make sure you're on overview, and then you click view video for the ones you're struggling with. The second one is timetables. So that's things like bus and train timetables and working out how long it takes to get from one place to another. Again, there's a video for that. Then it's got real life problems, okay? So this is all about kind of like, how much would it cost to buy this? How many of something could I afford? If I had this much money, how much change would I have left over, etc. Okay? So that's your Maths Watch assignment for this week. So make sure you scroll along, because you've got 21 questions in total, and it should take you about 45 minutes, okay? So that's your second task. You've got your 20 questions, and then you've got your real life Maths Watch assignment. Now, remember, on Maths Watch, you can actually search for extra questions, okay? So if you go on videos, you can just press on the search bar there, and you could search for anything you want. So if you fancy like practicing fractions, you could type in fractions, then you could watch the video, and then you could do some extra questions, okay, if you fancy some extra work. Finally, there is... obviously, we've got our Super Maths World. I've clicked on number, so I just clicked on number here because that's what we're doing this week. And then you can click on kind of any of these things. So speed, distance, time. You could do ordering numbers like we did last week. Maybe kind of metric units, that's the centimetres and metres and millimetres and all those things we've been doing in the 20 questions might be quite useful. Negative numbers is always good. But yeah, so you've got all of those things there. Obviously you can click on other things if you fancy doing some things on maybe data, because that's kind of charts and travel graphs and things that we've been doing this week as well. Okay, so you can have some fun on that. So those are your 3 things, okay? So make sure you've done your 20 questions. Make sure it's the correct one as well. So it should say 62.5 in the corner there. And you've done your Maths Watch assignment, and you've had a go on Super Maths World, okay? I hope you have a lovely week and enjoy your 4-day week because you've got a bank holiday. Bye.